In this video, I will show you how to find my Fidelity account number. You may need these numbers to set up direct deposit of your salary or to link your Fidelity account to another bank. First, open fidelity.com in your browser. On the main page, find the blue login button and click on it. Next, on the login page, enter your username, password, and click the green login button. After the login, on the Fidelity dashboard, you can see all your accounts. Click on the account for which you need the account number and routing number. On the account page, you can see the balance of your account and recent activity. Below is the Manage Direct Deposit link and click on it. On the following page, you have two options. You can try to set up direct deposit automatically, or you can do it yourself. Scroll down and find the green Continue button. Click on the button. On the following page, you can see account number, and below, you can find routing number. You can use these numbers to set up direct deposit of your salary or to connect your Fidelity account to an external bank and transfer funds to your Fidelity account. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.